This is a 20-minute yoga flow to help you build strength, flexibility, and release tension. Get comfortable on your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Bring your hips back towards your heels and extend your arms forward along your mat, coming into child's pose. Allow your forehead to rest down and let your shoulders soften. Take a few slow breaths here, relaxing into the stretch. From here, slowly walk your hands towards the left side of your mat. Keep your hips heavy towards your heels and feel the stretch along the side of your body. Breathe slowly and comfortably. Now walk your hands across to the other side of the mat. Again, keep your hips sitting back as you breathe into the stretch through your side body. Bring your hands back to center and come up onto your hands and knees. Start making slow circles with your body, moving your hips and shoulders together, warming up your wrists. Keep it smooth and controlled. Come to a neutral tabletop with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. As you inhale, drop your belly towards the mat and lift your chest. As you exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. Continue flowing between cat and cow with your breath. From here, extend one leg straight back while reaching the opposite arm forward. Keep your core engaged and your hips steady. Return to center and switch sides. Tuck your toes and lift your hips up into a downward dog. Start pedaling out your legs, bending one knee and then the other. Ease into the stretch through the backs of your legs. Now walk your legs towards your hands and slowly rise up. Take a few deep breaths here. We're gonna move through a gentle sun salutation. Take 4 deep breaths, nice and slow. Breathe in. And now. And in. And out. Bring your hands to your chest and raise them above your head. Then fold forward and touch the floor. Now bring one leg behind into a deep lunge. Lift your chest and look up. Then back to neutral and bring one leg behind into a plank. Now lower your knees down, your chest down, then transition into a cobra pose. Now we are getting into a downward dog position again. Take your time and bring one leg forward again into a deep lunge. Look up, another leg forward and stand up. And we're going to be repeating the same on the other leg. Bring your hands towards your chest as you breathe. Lift your arms up and fold forward with control as you breathe out. Then bring one leg behind. Chest up. Another leg behind. Then drop your knees and your feet. And then your chest. And transition into a cobra pose. And breathe. Bring one leg forward again, lift chest up again, back down, and bring the other leg forward and stand up and breathe. Take it nice and slow, take your time. Now return to downward dog. Draw one knee towards your elbow, then extend the leg back again and into a downward dog. Move slowly, keeping your shoulders strong and your core engaged. Step that foot forward and rise up into a crescent lunge. Reach your arms overhead and lengthen through your torso. Stay steady and breathe slowly. Now lunge down until your knee touch the mat. Then rise up again and repeat. Do it slowly. Open your hips and shoulders to the side, settling into Warrior 2. Extend your arms wide and ground through your legs. Then reach your front arm up and back, flowing into a reverse warrior position. Straighten your front leg and shift your hips back slightly. Fold forward gently, feeling the stretch through your hamstrings. Move back and forth slowly. Bend your front knee again and sink back into your lunge. Stay here for about 30 seconds. You can use your hand to push your knees out for a deeper stretch. Reach back and gently draw your back foot towards you for a quad stretch. Keep your chest lifted and your breathing calm. Release the leg and step back into a downward dog. Now bring the opposite knee towards your elbow. Then extend it back out again. Then back into a downward dog again. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Step forward and rise up into a crescent lunge on the other side. Reach your arms overhead and lengthen through your body. Now drop your back knee on the mat. And again. And again. Open into Warrior 2 once again. Arms extend wide, grounding through your legs. Then lift your front arm up and back into Reverse Warrior. Straighten your front leg and gently fold forward for a hamstring stretch. Move forward and backward slowly. Bend back into your low lunge and stay here for 30 seconds. Now reach back for your back foot, stretching your quads. Keep your breathing smooth. Slowly lower your body down onto your mat. Extend your legs behind you and rest your arms alongside your body. Now lift your chest and legs gently off your mat for a locust pose. Roll onto your back and place your feet flat on your mat. Press through your heels and lift your hips up into bridge pose. Keep your chest open as you breathe deeply and make sure your ribs are not flared out. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee. Draw the supporting leg towards your chest to stretch your glutes. Now switch sides and repeat the stretch. Relax into the movement and keep your breathing steady. Extend one leg long along your mat and press the other knee down towards the mat. Hold the stretch gently. Switch legs and repeat on the other side. Allow your body to relax deeper into the mat. Sit up and bring your arms behind you and stretch. Let your chest gently expand as you take a few slow breaths. Finally, allow your whole body to relax completely. Close your eyes if you like and take a few slow, calming breaths. Let your body absorb the benefits of this practice. And that's the session today. Nice work getting all the way through. If you enjoyed this workout, check out my app for more workouts. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!